Sekuphela iminyaka eyishumi inkantolo ephakeme yakuleli yathatha isinqumo sokuba kuqinisekiswe ukubonelelwa kwizidingo zaseSlovo Park, kepha izakhamuzi zithi umkhandlu dolobha usaqhubeka nokuzishaya indiva izikhalo zazo.
We've been from back and forth with the first application as per the judgment, which was flawed by the city. We then assisted them to reformulate the document, but then along the way policy changes and shifts. But the problem is political will around doing things, because we can't be 10 years now with a judgment that should have been implemented in the first 3 years.
Nakuba ugesi begcine sebewutholile akubanga lula njengoba kuye kwafanele bawulwele nawo.
The only thing that we celebrating would be death of people that died without knowing what is proper drinking water, what is sanitation, and of course some even not know even electricity at large, because it's been a hassle even to get this particular electricity.
Zithi azibona ukuthi zizovota okhethweni lohulumeni bezindawo ngolwezi.
Angeke sikwazi ukuthi siyovota ngoba siyakhohliswa. Last year kwafika abantu la baka Johannesburg paper bonke abantu bazositshela ukuthi bazosifakela amasurisha ngoNovember wa last year. Salinda amasurisha awekho. Ayekho intuthuko eyenzekayo, asenziwela lutho la.
Umnyango wokuhlaliswa kwabantu uthi kube khona ungaxhumani ngendlela efanele phakathi komnyango kanye nomkhandlu dolobha nokuyikona okuholela ekutheni kubambezeleke ukuhlonishwa kwesinqumo senkantolo.
All the work that the province was doing was then handed over to the city of Johannesburg. We then appointed a consultant for the upgrading of the informal settlement through our social housing company, and that's where we are now.
Izakhamuzi zitha zazi ukuthi zingakhalelaphi noma zithathe ziphi izinyathelo ukuze idolobha ligcine lisihloniphile isinqumo senkantolo.